my name is Gloria. I'm the HR manager from Trapper Media Services. I'm very excited about this course right from the beginning when I heard the title and who is the one that's going to give the talk. And I really learned a lot from the best, because I'm sure you don't want to learn from the second best, but only the best. And that was what I experienced and what I benefited from here. And thanks to Senfield that because of their recommendation, I got the chance to be part of this today's team. And I learned tremendously, especially on the KPI and how is it moving forward with the new trend. Is it going to be the same, what you have done last time and going forward, or is it going to be different? And we both know that, we all know that it's going to be different, otherwise robots will replace us. But how different? Come and join us. Contact Senfield for more information. Thank you.